Hi, my name is Betsabe. I am in the Vortex Vinyl Recorder Studio. I will show you now the functions and the components of the automatic C6 V3. Our record will have two cancellations. The first song is 9 minutes 41 seconds long. The second one will be 14 minutes 14 seconds. Now we separate the songs with a time of 5 seconds. The machine takes care of everything. It connects to the computer through a USB input that commands play to be able to reproduce the sound automatically and accurately. This empty space that we have here is the track separation, the duration of the silence that we have to insert in the control panel of the machine. Now I will talk about a float, which is in charge of raising and lowering the cutting head in a controlled and automatic way. The machine has a safety system. It ensures that the cutting head does not lower by accident, even though we force down the head. It lowers only when the respective button is pressed. In addition, the float has a system that allows to measure the depth of cut. With the counterweight, we can regulate the depth of cut. Here we see the clock that allows us to see the stability of the cutting head while it is cutting. Here we have the control panel. It has different functions: the semi-automatic function and the fully automatic function. Through this button, we can change the semi-automatic or fully automatic function. With this button, we activate the linear movement. With this button, we raise or lower the cutting head. The light indicates that the cutting head is up and secured. With these two buttons, we activate the rain head movement. With these two buttons, we activate the movement to the right, or we also activate it to the left. When we are in the semi-automatic mode, the operator must be attentive to give the separation manually. This knob is used for the concentric closing of the disc. This knob is used to regulate the separation silence amplitude. With this command, we can regulate the supply voltage of the cutting diamond. With this command, we can regulate the distance between groups during engraving. With this knob, we regulate the maximum force of engraving. With this knob, we can regulate the automatic amplitude sensitivity. Here we have the control of the automatic system. By pressing this knob, the machine will have the control off. In the automatic control system, we will enter the number of the songs and the format of the disc. Now we will enter the numbers of the songs. Press A and enter 02 and numeral for numeral. And enter 02 and numeral to save. And press B. We will enter the duration of each song. We press 02, in this case 9:39 seconds. The other one is 01 of 14 seconds. Save and go back with numeral. Now we are going to insert the value of the group's amplitude in the recording. Press B. A. The amplitude of the groups in the recording. B. Separation between song silence. C. The beginning of the disc. D. The concentric closing of the disc. This is the beginning of the disc. It has 3 to 4 groups initial lines. Here we can see the format of the disc. The beginning 3 to 4 lines, the separation of songs and the disc closing, the song separation and the disc closing. The machine has a 16-inch turntable that allows us to record in 7, 10, 12, 14, 16 inches. The turntable is made of solid aluminum that weighs 25 kilograms with the thickness of 8 centimeters. This is the control panel of the turntable and the microscope. With this command, we can raise or lower the microscope. This command allows us to move the microscope to the right or left so we can see the entire surface. With this command, we control the turntable speed. In this command, we can insert the RPM and program them. As we already said, the machine has the ability to record discs of all sizes. In addition, it can also search for the external diameter and lower the spindle automatically and precisely at the beginning of the external diameter. The autoplay connector. These two connectors are the stereo audio power input.